First, allow me to speak. Quiet the rooms, down in your seats. I got a message here I gotta preach. Some lessons that I gotta teach. Before I begin, I just wanna warn you, I'm not like the artist that you see before you. There's rules I refuse to conform to. Just cause you listen don't mean I'll reward you. We all got a past, you got what it takes to dump out the gas and laugh at the blaze. Slaughter your memories and trash your mistakes and splash out the acid that lasts in your veins. Pick up the hatchet and hack through the maze. Dressing all black like you back in the day. On the attack, now you back in the way. That got all of these demons all back in the way. You see the anger, you see the pain, but you ain't gonna know about the blood and the rain until I get done with this record. No checkers, the record gonna trust for the kid. You see the singer, you see the rapper. You won't see nothing but grace in the past. You're erasing my past like a natural disaster. Hey. Batting the hatches, it's time for the rapture. Like, little bit of time and I'll make it on my own. Little bit of time and I'm taking my chances. Making demands, I'ma show them all the time. I'm the man like murder weapon with the pen, no prince like change the color of the rain like Prince like got an F5s. Tell me something that I haven't heard. Don't worry, I'll wait. Waiting patiently for the name drop. They don't wanna push a button that'll make the game stop. Kinda like Jordan, I'm attacking to a 3. And when I come back with the 45, yeah, I'm back cause it's more than that. Mean like Rick, making Morty cry. Time, leaving blood in the rain, it's a gory style. Murder anybody in the way, take a name, find me in a dark room. Develop a spit blood and bellow adrenaline when I get it. If I open the metal, when I'm murdering elegance like everything you know about a man at hand, be the thing you can reckon it like stock to the cheek, take a name. Got a right to be mad, don't blame. And if I get voted most hated, the clap backtrack, guarantee I'll be flames. When you go out for blood, it's about time. If you get in my way, you get outlined. Talk about rhymes, you get outshine. I'ma make you eat every syllable if you doubt mine. Shoot from the hip, from the bow line. When I say jump, jump, you gon' tell me how high. When I'm messing you from the bow line, you gon' learn a thing about rhymes when it's cow time. This is outright murder in the first degree. Listen up now, I'm giving y'all the courtesy. Formal invite, y'all be the first to see the red comment, the love for the murder spree. Yeah.
Oh.